Hi there, I'm Justin Pritchard for Driving.ca, and in this video, it's 5 master tips to help you take the uncertainty out of buying that next used car. Some people like surprises, but I don't know anyone who likes surprises when it comes to buying a second-hand car or truck. How was the vehicle cared for in its past life? Is its warranty still fully intact? Will it run and work properly for years to come with minimal headaches? Is there some problem lurking that could cost you money? Used cars come with a lot of uncertainty, especially if the history and servicing of the vehicle by its past owners is unclear. To help reduce some of that uncertainty and add maximum confidence to your used car shopping process, here are 5 master tips that you can follow as a series of final steps before or during your purchase. Number 1, make sure all the software is up to date. A software update for your vehicle can be the solution to countless far-reaching problems, even including things like foul odors from the climate control system, unwanted vibrations through the vehicle driveline, and poor responses from the vehicle's steering or throttle. Software updates are often applied in a dealer setting while the vehicle is in for regular servicing. Still, some software updates could be outstanding for the specific vehicle that you are considering. So you can work with a dealer service department to determine which, if any, software updates might be available for the vehicle you're buying, and that could prevent a wide variety of headaches. Number 2, the Prepurchase inspection or PPI, and that's an inspection by a professional technician of the vehicle that you are considering. Some used vehicles include this sort of inspection typically when they're sold as part of a certified pre-owned program at a dealership. Privately sold vehicles don't typically come with a PPI, but having one performed as a final step before your purchase is the single best means of protecting yourself from buying someone else's headaches. You might have to have the seller meet you for the inspection or arrange for them to let you take the vehicle there, and the inspection takes about an hour and typically costs less than $200. When the PPI is completed, you're provided a report that gives you a high-resolution image of the current state of the vehicle and all of its important systems. This is a powerful tool for those after maximum peace of mind. Number 3, the consumables. Some parts of a vehicle wear out naturally over time as a result of their use. These include tires, brake rotors and pads, wiper blades, light bulbs, fluids and filters, and even to a degree, suspension components. So approach the used vehicle that you are considering assuming that all of its consumable parts are in immediate need of replacement, and that the seller would rather you, not they, foot the bill. Then, by process of elimination, work backwards until you confirm otherwise. If you're not sure how to inspect all of these consumable components, ask for a technician's help during the PPI inspection. Most sellers aren't trying to pass off an upcoming repair or replacement bill, but some are, so it can pay to be on the lookout. Number 4, the costs. Now maybe you're upsizing from a Kia Soul to a Dodge Durango or swapping an old economy car for a newer Cadillac or Lexus. In any case, being sure to understand the implications on your budget can prevent unpleasant surprises down the line. So before you buy, consider researching the costs of things like insurance, tires, oil changes, and servicing. Note that some luxury and sports models require pricier premium-grade gasoline, and that a sportier car can be pricier to insure than an economy model. If you're switching from something with a smaller engine to something with a bigger one, make sure you know the effect on your real-life fuel bill too. And number 5, recall work. Recalls are issued to address latent safety defects with vehicles, and recall work is performed free of charge by the vehicle's dealership. Some vehicles have many recalls, others have few, and when a recall is issued, it might affect a few cars, a few dozen, or a few 100,000. With the vehicle identification number and proof of ownership, a dealer service department can check to determine which, if any, safety recalls might be outstanding on the vehicle that you just purchased. And ensuring that all recall work has been performed makes your vehicle safer and can also prevent headaches and frustration with the operation of certain vehicle systems. Well, thank you for watching. My name is Justin Pritchard for Driving.ca. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below so you never miss a new upload. And until next time, take care and stay safe.